How to change your birthday on X. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search x.com and log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, click on Profile icon. After you're in your profile, click on Edit Profile in here. After you click on Edit Profile, scroll down. Scroll down and you'll find birth date. Click on birth date in here. After that, click on edit. After you've clicked on edit, simply change your birth date as you want. After that, click on save at the top right corner of your screen and your birthday will be changed. And this is how to change your birthday on X. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.